If you have a child between 1 and 10 years old who is not gaining weight the way you would like, come closer. Bring your chair to the front. I have something to show you. Over the past few months, many of you have been asking me to share more recipes for toddlers and older children, not just babies. I see your comments, I see your cries, and I have listened to you. So today I am making a special weight gain pap that is packed with nourishing ingredients that can make your kids, your toddlers or older babies to gain weight within the space of 3 to 4 weeks. Yes, and it is 100% guaranteed. Make sure you watch this video from beginning till the end if you have a baby that falls between 1 and 10 years old, so that by the end of this video you will see exactly how I made the pap, the ingredients I use, and why this bowel is so different from your regular pap. And make sure you use everything that I use in this video to get the best results. Let's dive right in. Before we start, take a look at how creamy and rich this pap turned out. But let me ask you, I want you to be honest, would your child finish a bowl like this? Let me know in the comments while I show you exactly how I made it. I am starting with some fresh pear and apple. I have already washed them thoroughly and now I am cutting them into smaller chunks. For this recipe, I am leaving the skin on because this pap is for older children. The skin of the apple and pear contains nutrients and fiber, and once everything is mixed together, it combines beautifully. And Chopstars, this part is especially for those of you who have been telling me, Chopstar, Mama, please share more recipes for my 3-year-old. Please, I need recipe for my 5-year-old or even 10 years old who is not gaining weight the way I would like. If that is you, please pay attention to this video because every ingredient I am adding today has a purpose. By the end of this video, you will see how I turned a simple bowl of pap into rich, nourishing, fast weight gain breakfast for growing children. Now, one thing I have noticed is that many children between the ages of 1 and 10 go through phases where they seem to stop gaining weight the way their parents expect. Sometimes it is because they are picky eaters, sometimes they are very active and burn a lot of energy, and sometimes they are simply filling up on food that don't provide enough calories or nutrients for growth. Am I lying? Not at all. And I've always told a lot of parents, love pap. Just love pap. Pap is one of the easiest breakfasts to prepare that will help your child to add weight because it is easier to inculcate high-calorie food into pap. It is easy to digest and most children enjoy eating it. The problem is that many parents serve pap on its own and they stop there. And this is exactly where many parents get it wrong. They think all pap is the same. No, all pap is not the same. This is why for today's recipe, I am using Makkie Healthy Food Banana and Nut Milk Pap. This is not your regular plain pap made from only one ingredient. No, this pap is already loaded with carefully selected ingredients. It contains fruits, nuts, fiber, carbohydrates, and so much more, all combined to give your child a richer and more nourishing meals. And if you look at the pack very well, you will notice that it is written for healthy weight gain because it was specially formulated to support healthy weight gain. And Chopstars, if you have never tried any of Makkie Healthy Food Pap variants before, you are really missing out. This is not the kind of pap you prepare and wonder whether your child will enjoy it. This is the pap your child would love. You can order this pap from anywhere, but the link to purchase this pap directly is in the description box. Do well to chat Makkie Healthy Food up today. I am also adding some Makkie Healthy Food fruity and nutty instant oatmeal. I am sure you have seen me use this particular product lots of time on this channel. This is another powerful product from Makkie Healthy Food that make mealtime more filling and more satisfying. And the best is that it helps with weight gain and it is instant. You can sprinkle it on any food you're feeding your baby. Now this one is completely optional. You can use it or you can use the next product I'm about to show you. Either way, your pap will still turn out very great. So I am adding this one today because I love the extra richness and extra calorie it brings to the meal. Now let's move on to the next ingredient. And now for one of my favorite ingredients in this entire recipe, Chubby Butter. Chopstars, if you have been following this channel for a while, then you have probably heard me talk about Chubby Butter before. And there is a reason for that. Chubby Butter was specially created for parents who want an easy way to enrich their children's meal and increase the calorie content of everyday food without spending hours in the kitchen. When parents ask me how to make their children's meal to be more nourishing for children who are lightweight, picky eaters, or children who need to gain weight, Chubby Butter is one of my favorite additions. Just 2 or more spoonfuls can be added to pap, oatmeal, smoothies, pancake, bread, and so much more. Now, what I love about this is that it blends so easily into food while adding the richness, flavor, and extra calories. And because it is made from a blend of nutritious nuts and carefully selected ingredients, it is a simple way to boost the calorie content of meals your child is already eating. And that is why I am adding it to this pap today. We are not just making ordinary pap, we are building a rich, creamy, calorie-dense breakfast designed to give your children optimal nutrition, good health, vitality, great skin, and all-round development. Next, I am using one raw egg. Proceed to wash the egg very well, crack it into a bowl and whisk it until it is nice and smooth. Now, chopsters, listen very attentively and please don't skip this part because this is one of the biggest game changers in this recipe. This egg and the chubby butter we are using are two of the ingredients that completely transform this pap. Now, I know some of you are already wondering, Chopstar, Mama, are you sure my 5-year-old, 8-year-old, or 10-year-old will eat pap with egg inside? The answer is yes. But the secret is knowing how to add the egg properly. That is why I have whisked the egg very well and I proceeded to add some water into it. You can see that I added water, very clean water, into the egg. Now the water helps the egg to blend smoothly into the pap mixture so it doesn't become obvious in the final pap. Now watch closely because this is where many people get it wrong. I am going to use this egg mixture to dissolve my pap, and by the time we are done you will hardly notice any sign of egg in the finished pap. No obvious egg texture, no strong egg taste, and no strong egg smell. This is a method I have used for years and it is one of my favorite ways to enrich pap for children. In fact, some of the feedback that I have received from parents after trying this method has been so amazing. Many of them were surprised that their children enjoyed the pap even without realizing that egg was added. That is why I want you to pay close attention to this step. And if you know a parent who is always looking for nourishing meal idea for your child, don't forget to share this video with them because we are only getting started. Now, as I'm gradually pouring in the hot water, I want you to pay attention to the texture. Can you see that? There are no lumps. Can you see that there are no lumps? No egg balls, no sign that we added egg in the pap at all. This is exactly why I told you not to skip the previous step. Whisking the egg properly and adding water before mixing it into the pap makes a huge difference. Now, another important tip, don't keep pouring hot water until the pap is completely cooked. No. Remember, we are still going to place this back on the fire. So what you need to do is to stop pouring the hot water halfway and leave a little room for the pap to finish cooking on the stove. That gives the egg enough time to cook properly while allowing the pap to develop a smooth, creamy texture. You will also notice that I did not make the pap too thick when I pour the hot water. That is very much intentional because once this goes back to the fire, it is going to thicken up even more. So if you make your pap too thick now, it may end up with a pap that is heavier than you intended. So try to make it light when you pour the hot water so that it will be easier to stir on the fire. Now just look at this creamy pap, guy. Can you see how Makkie healthy food banana nut milk pap looks so creamy and inviting? So you're going to allow the pap to cook properly and boil very well. I recommend cooking it on low heat for about 5 minutes while stirring continuously. Please don't rush this step. Low heat is the secret. If the heat is too high, the pap can cook unevenly and you may end up with lumps. So once our pap is ready, it is time to check back on the fruit. So remember we had to steam the fruit, right, so that it becomes so soft for blending. Now this is the steamed fruit and we're just going to set it down and transfer it into a blender. Now this is the point that you've been waiting for. Transfer all of the fruit into a blender. You're going to go in with Makkie healthy food chubby butter. You're going to go in with Makkie's fruity oatmeal, which is optional. You can either do the chubby butter or the oatmeal, but I love to do the both of them because it's so nutritious. Then add your milk. Here you can add any full cream milk. Please, I recommend full cream milk. Don't use skimmed milk, don't use low fat milk, use full cream milk because we want our children to gain weight. Now after you must have added everything, sorry I cut the clip where I added the other ingredients. I didn't know the video was not playing. So after you must have added everything, proceed to blend it on high speed until you have a very smoothie like puree, very smooth. And there you have it, Chop Stars. Our high calorie weight gain pap is finally ready. Just look at that bowl. This is not an ordinary pap. So proceed to pour the quantity that your child can be able to finish and transfer the blended mixture into the pap. If your child is not gaining weight, Chop Star, if your child is a picky eater, your big baby is a picky eater, or you have a child that gets full so often and is still not adding weight, then this is exactly the kind of weight boosting breakfast you should be introducing into their meal plan. This pap is suitable for babies from 6 months to toddlers, teens, adults, and the aged. If you're a mom who has been losing weight unintentionally, if you're looking for ways to increase your calorie intake, or you're simply trying to add more nourishing meals to your routine, you can also enjoy this pap. And the best part, most children won't even realize how much goodness is packed in this bowl. Just look at this texture. Rich, creamy, smooth, and delicious. This is the kind of pap that takes breakfast to another level. So go ahead and serve the quantity your child can comfortably finish and watch them enjoy every spoon. And Chop Stars, if you have been looking for a high calorie, fast weight gain recipe to support healthy weight gain, then save this recipe and give it a try. If you do try it, please come back and tell me how your child liked it, because I would love to hear your feedback. Okay? A lot of you that requested for weight gain pap for older babies, toddlers, and growing children. This is one of my favorite recipes to recommend. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another parent who is struggling with a child that is not gaining weight the way they should gain. And if you'd like to get any of the Makkie healthy food products used in this recipe, check the link in the description box and the pinned comment and you will see the link. Thank you so much for watching, Chop Stars, and I will see you in the next weight gain recipe. Bye.